The 2025 Lexus ES has received a mid-cycle refresh specifically tailored for the Chinese market, unveiled at the 2024 Guangzhou Auto Show. I appreciate your viewership and would love for you to like, share, subscribe, and share your thoughts for enhancements. Key updates include changes to its signature spindle grille, now featuring horizontal slats, and redesigned LED headlamps with a distinctive double L motif. The rear taillights have also been revised, adopting more modern graphics with a full-width light bar. Inside, the most significant upgrade is a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment display, replacing the previous 12.3-inch unit. This new display, sourced from the Lexus RX, has necessitated the relocation of the central air vents, now positioned below rotary climate controls. The cabin also features updated materials and a redesigned gear selector for a more modern aesthetic. Mechanically, the Chinese ES offers two powertrain options, the ES200 with a 2.0L naturally aspirated engine delivering 127 kilowatts, and the ES300H hybrid, combining a 2.5L petrol engine with an electric motor for a total output of 160 kilowatts. These configurations retain the front-wheel drive layout and eCVT transmission, without the hybrid upgrades seen in the latest Toyota Camry models. Although this refresh has debuted in China, it may be extended to other global markets soon, with the 8th-generation Lexus ES potentially incorporating an all-electric variant in future iterations. Thank you for tuning in.